This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 provides a variety of Bluetooth wireless connectivity features. Your G90 can register up to 6 different Bluetooth devices and allows 2 Bluetooth-enabled smartphones to be active and connected. For assistance with registering your smartphone or Bluetooth device to your G90, watch our how-to video here. After both smartphones are registered to your G90 and within range, you will be able to switch Bluetooth calling and audio streaming between the phones. Press Setup, then Device Connections. Press the name of the phone that you'd like to assign a connection to. Select whether to switch Bluetooth calling or audio streaming to the new phone, and then both phones will be connected with different functions assigned. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.